Hey, what is up gamers, welcome back to the video, and in today's video, I will be showing all of you how you can create your own custom AI songs for absolutely nothing. So, there are many characters you can use in this, such as the ones I favorited here, but not only that, you can see many more, and they will just keep loading in. And as always, guys, if you do end up enjoying today's video, please make sure to leave a like and subscribe, but that's completely up to you. So once you have whatever song it is that you want your AI to sing, you want to go ahead and head over to the website I'm at right now, and that will be linked in the description, and so will all of the other links I'll be using in today's video. Then, once you've imported it to the website, you want to go ahead and click import and then split. And it will do this process fairly quickly depending on how big your song is. Once it's done, you should see this, and what you want to do is go ahead and change drums to 0, bass to 0, and others to 0. Vocals stay where it is and click download one stem. Then you're going to want to head over to this other website. This is the actual website with all of the AI voices, and what you want to go ahead and do here is scroll through and find any one of the many AI voices you want to use. You can click the heart button to favorite them, and they'll appear in your favorites, and I have a few favorites here that I like to use. And in my opinion, Donald Duck sounds the best out of all of the voices on this website. So I'm just going to go ahead and click him, and I'm going to click upload and my file. As you can see, it says the file is too big, and here's a simple way to fix that. You need to head on over to this other website that will be linked in the description, click choose files, and choose your music file. Click compress now, and it should say uploading. Once that's done, you click download, head back to the AI site, click upload, and go ahead and find your compressed file now. And it'll simply load in, and click change voice now. It'll say uploading, and in just a few seconds, you'll go ahead and see that it will change to this screen. And here, you just want to be patient and wait for the process to finish. Once you're done, it should look something like this. You can click play.
Somebody once told me the world is gonna rain me. I ain't the sharpest in the sun.
And hear what it sounds like. But as for right now, I'm just going to go ahead and click download voice, and this will download your file for you. Now, you want to use some sort of video editing software, and in my opinion, I like to use Clipchamp because it's very easy for this process. Just click create a new video and click import media. And from here, you want to click the voice.mp3 file and click open. And it should say preparing. And you click the plus button, and that'll add it to the timeline here. Then you can head right on back to the splitter website that splits the vocals and instruments, and go ahead and change vocals back to 0, and if these are all the way down like they should have been last time, just change them all back up to 0.0, just like this one, and do that with all of these. Then click download 3 stems, just like so, and it should download drums, bass, and others. Now head back to Clipchamp and click import media. Here you want to grab all 3 of those bass, drums, and other files, and just go ahead and click open, and open them all up into Clipchamp. When they're all done preparing, simply do this, add the timeline, and drag it back to here at the beginning, and do that with every single one of them until it should look something like this. And just like that, you're ready. You can go back, you can click play, and if you want, you can click export, and I would export to 1080p, and simply just convert it to an MP3 when you're done, using some sort of online converter. Also guys, the song I made in today's video is out now on my YouTube channel, so if you want, go ahead and check it out, and I will see you guys there.